Experiencing issues with Max not loading on your Roku? You're not alone. As of December 2025, this is a common problem, but often easily resolved. The primary causes are app glitches, internet connectivity problems, or Roku firmware issues. We'll cover the two most effective troubleshooting steps: reinstalling the app and checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is often the cause of Max not loading on Roku. Start by checking your internet speed to ensure you have at least 25 Mbps download speed for smooth HD streaming. If your connection is slow, try resetting your router. Unplug it from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary issues and refreshes your connection. If you're using Wi-Fi and still having issues, switch to an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Wi-Fi can be affected by interference, while Ethernet provides direct, reliable access. Finally, verify that no other devices on your network are heavily using bandwidth while streaming. Activities like large downloads or video calls can slow down your connection. It's important to distinguish between loading failures and buffering. A complete loading failure usually indicates an app or system error, while buffering suggests a slow internet connection. If you experience constant buffering, focus on improving your internet speed and stability. If the app fails to load entirely, the reinstall process is the better first step. Ensure your Roku device runs the latest firmware to prevent compatibility issues with Max. Navigate to Settings, then System Update, and select Check Now. This menu shows the settings path on your Roku device. For example, in September 2025, Max released version 8.2.1 to fix compatibility with Roku OS 13.2.0, resolving many crashes. Regular firmware updates keep your Roku device compatible and reliable. If reinstalling the app and checking your internet don't solve the problem, the issue may be more complex. Ask yourself, does the problem happen only with Max? If the problem persists only with Max, contact Max's Help Center. If you experience issues with multiple apps, contact Roku's customer support. Be prepared to provide details about your Roku model, firmware version, and internet speed. To prevent future loading issues with Max on Roku, focus on 3 key preventive measures that ensure reliable streaming. First, always keep your Max app and Roku firmware updated. Regular updates fix bugs and improve compatibility, preventing many loading problems. Second, consider using a wired Ethernet connection for more stable streaming. Wired connections reduce loading issues by 30% compared to wireless, especially important as Max adds more 8K content requiring faster speeds. Third, regularly clear the cache on your Roku device. This prevents performance slowdowns. Navigate to Settings, then System, Advanced System Settings, Network Connection Reset, and Reset Connection. These measures will help maintain reliability, especially as streaming evolves with AI diagnostics and higher quality content in the future. Looking ahead, trends suggest AI-driven diagnostics within the Roku OS may automate fixes for app glitches. Integrated smart TV ecosystems and closer partnerships between Roku and streaming services will likely reduce standalone app issues. However, as streaming quality increases, faster internet speeds will become essential, potentially creating new challenges. Regularly review FCC complaints about streaming reliability to stay informed. These future developments promise more reliable streaming experiences, but staying informed about technology changes will help you navigate them successfully.